Welcome to Jellystone Park in Wichita Falls, Texas. Today we're taking you on a tour of this fun-filled family destination. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as we explore everything this park has to offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more family adventures. We are entering the park. A quick stop at the gate to enter our code, and we are in. Driving through the front area of the park, we're greeted by several buildings, setting the stage for a fun and exciting stay. Here is Yogi Bear welcoming us to Jellystone Park. The ranger station is just ahead, your go-to spot for supplies, souvenirs, and information. Now let's check out our campsite. We are at Site 12, conveniently located at the front of the RV camping area. Our campsite is spacious and equipped with water, electricity, and a sewage drain. There is also a picnic table and a fire pit, perfect for evenings by the fire. It's a back-in site with plenty of space between neighbors. Next up, we're headed to check out the Grand Lodge. Here's the Grand Lodge and Chapel. The chapel features a beautiful stained glass window above the double doors. Although it was closed, it hosts various services throughout the week. Check out this stunning rock carving of a howling wolf at the entrance to the lodge. Let's head inside. Inside the lodge, you'll find arts and crafts, games, and even foosball. There's a spot to grab some food and drinks. It's a great place to unwind. Now let's head to the kids' corral area. This area is packed with activities. On the right you can see the pools, and to the left are the play areas for the kids to burn off some energy. Here's the Gaga Ball Pit, a fun, fast-paced game for kids. Search online for the rules to get ready to play. The playground is perfect for ages 5 to 12, featuring a lookout spot, rock walls, and fire poles. Mini golf is fun for everyone. A great way to spend some family time together. Plenty of seating options here with picnic tables, chairs, and a grill for cookouts. Check out this massive inflatable obstacle course. It's a blast for all ages. Here's a look at the maze and laser tag area. It's tons of fun and has lots of activities to enjoy. More activities include basketball, swings, and so much more. There's no shortage of entertainment here. Next, we'll go off to the gem mining area. Gem mining was one of the highlights of our trip. With water flowing down the trough, kids can sift through pay dirt to find gems, fossils, and other rocks. Bradley and Harrison had a blast. Let's take a look at the pools, starting with pool number 1 near the Bear's Den. This smaller pool is perfect for young kids, with shallow sections and easy access. Next, we'll take a look at pool number 2. It's near the ranger station. This pool is the smallest, but includes a slide. Its central location and nearby shower and bathroom make it a popular spot. Next, let's check out pool number 3, near the pavilion. This Olympic-style pool is great for older kids and adults. It's spacious with plenty of seating and never feels crowded. And now for the main attraction, the water playground. The water playground is packed with fun, water cannons, climbing towers, large and small slides, interactive activities, and a massive water tower that dumps water all over the main area. It's the ultimate spot to cool off and play. For added comfort, check out the paid reserve areas. They include comfy seating, tables, a fridge, and even a TV, perfect for relaxing by the pool. Thanks for joining us on our tour of Jellystone Park in Wichita Falls. We hope you enjoyed the trip. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure.